Hey yo! Whoop, 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 whoop. It's Chriso. Stay tuned, buckle yourselves in. Have I got some treats for you? G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm just about to start grouting now, and we'll be away laughing. This is how you mix it up. DIYs. I'll just pop this on my head and we'll get started. I put in about 10 or 15 mil of water. I mix it up as I go. I don't mix a whole bucket full and then throw it out with wastage. No, mix it up as you go. You know, pretty easy. This will do a couple of walls, this amount. See the texture of it? It's about like whipped cream or toothpaste. Don't stop because of me, Chris. It's alright if you make a noise. The owner's just busy in the bath and the laundry on the other side of the wall. So you push it in, push your grout in. Nothing to it DIYs, but because this is a shiny tile, don't wipe it off too soon. You'll drag too much out of your grout line. And today's a bit of a cloudy day, so it's not going to dry super fast. Push it in. I like grouting because it's, you know, I don't mind it. Some people hate it. I don't mind it because it's the last part of the job, you know. So I've done the bathroom here, the ensuite. This is the bathroom. It's quite a big sucker too. It's grown a bit. That's cool. So I've done the ensuite. I'm doing the bathroom now, and then in a few days' time, like I'm gonna have a few days off because it's my granddie's school holidays, so I'm taking a few days off. Oh well, 3 days, 3 working days. Spend a bit of time with them. I think everyone can relate to grandparents, being grandchildren. Doesn't matter what age you are, you always got memories. Well, my wife and I are building memories with our grandchildren. Anyway, we're going to be busy doing that for a few days, and then I'll be back on the Monday, and I'm going to start laying the floor tile, which it's I think it's going to be 700 by 700. floor tile. So I'll show you how to lay those suckers. See how I just started anywhere on this wall. It doesn't matter where you start when you're when you're putting in your grout. Always when you're wiping off, though, you start at the top, work down. If you start at the bottom and work up, wrong move, because your water is then running down your finished wall. What I'm trying to do is, like, I'm serious about teaching everyone I can. The more people I can teach, the better. It's something I've decided that I want to do. Try and pass on my knowledge. Pass on my knowledge, what I've learned over the last 3.5 decades. Whoa! Yeah, that sounds like a shitload, doesn't it? I'm back to using a bucket again because I left my set of steps at a job and I haven't had a chance to go back and collect them. I haven't been in the area, so I'm using the bucket again. I've just got to be careful because the last time I was using the bucket, I stepped off it, rolled my ankle, cracked my head, ended up with 12 staples. So I've just got to watch where I put my foot when I'm close to the floor. Oh, I like it, people. Look at this. I like this grout, eh? I'm not going to tell you what grout it is. Once they start sponsoring me and start supplying it, well then I'll pump the name of it. I had a quick look around then and see if I'd missed anything, and yes, I Notice that. Alright, I'll start wiping off shortly. I'll probably do that wall as well. This is Chriso. Stay tuned. Lean in. There's heaps to learn. Hopefully I can show you everything I know. Subscribe to my channel and help things grow. See you soon. This is Chriso. So we're wiping off. We're wiping off now. Always keeping an eye on your lines. Looking at your lines all the time. Where's my knife? Just checking if there's any foreign matter in your grout. When there is, just dig it out like that. I'm noticing the odd bit of plastic. It's come off the bucket as I'm mixing the grout. My trowel is sort of scraping up a bit of plastic here and there, but no biggie. Good grouting DIYs makes the job. It gives it the old wow. You know, people go, oh, it's not that important. Yeah, right. What does an apprentice do the first few weeks or months when he's on a job? He grouts and sweeps the floor. Both of those are important. Hope there's no more. It's nice. Always make sure you get the internal corner nice and clean. for when you're grouting. Always pay attention to your corner. And you're laughing. Right, we'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Stay tuned. Go back and look at my other videos. Subscribe if you haven't, and you won't miss a single video that I bring out then. It all helps to keep my channel up and running. And we'll see you soon.